Hi, I'm Ray, and I've got a big box of seeds, and it's February, so let's show you what I'm going to do in February. Lovely. Hi, I'm Ray, and this is my garden channel. Today, in February, have you covered off so far with your seeds? Well done. Now towards the end of February, you can crack on, you can get a lot done. So, at the beginning of February, you can think about start chitting our potatoes. I'll show you potatoes in another video. But we can chit potatoes on egg boxes, placing the potatoes in the slots of the eggs, or even a carton, laying some newspaper around the carton, around the mushroom tray, and laying them on newspaper with the chips facing up. So that's one job to do in the next few days. There are a few seeds that we can do, so we can still do broad beans into the soil direct, but it does need to be fairly warm and not frosty. Broad beans are the only seeds we can do during February in the ground. But we've got our broad beans going, and many of them have been eaten. But that's another story. And also now we can do most things in the greenhouse or indoors, which needs a bit of heat. So we can do peas, and these are early douce Provence, and these can be sown in February right through to March, and these can be done in a piece of old gutter. And you can drill some holes along the gutter, place some compost along the gutter, and then either scatter the seeds or place them in a star position and go all the way along. When your seedlings are so tall, then you can just push the whole line of compost into its place where it want to go. And also in a polytunnel, it's handy to keep the guttering high up, and the mice won't eat my seeds, which they do here. So some other seeds we can get on during February. So have you not done your aubergines in January, then we can still do aubergines, but they do need a bit of heat. So these can be done from January right through to April. And leaving it to the last few weeks of February, we can start doing tomatoes, but there's no rush. March, April is fine. The packets say January, February, but unless you've got growing conditions, the lights, heat, everything else, just not worth it. And also the same with cucumber. This is cucumber Louisiana F1, and it says we can do this from February right through to May, so there's really no rush. So that's the tomatoes, cucumbers, peas and aubergines, and also herbs as in basil. This can be done in a warm climate like a windowsill, so we can start basil, and this is sweet green, and we'll have a go at that. So we've done those, basil, and also brassicas. We can do some kind of brassicas, and cauliflower all year round is a good old favourite. My cauliflower is looking good in the tunnel. It's looking pretty good. and these have not been eaten, so we're a bit of a bonus with that so far. And also sprouts, some early sprouts can be done. These are Dolores, but these are a later one, but some early sprouts can be done. Also spring cabbages and calabrese can also be done. I've got no seeds for cabbages and I could not find the calabrese that we had, so that would do too. Also a celery. I can't see the celery, no, but celery can be done, and it's an early sowing of a bolt resistant celery such as Leethon, something like that. And leeks. We've not done any leeks in January. These can still be done, but these all still need undercover, still need a bit of warmth, as well as the onions and the spring onions. Both of these can still be done February through to March. My spring onions just started to come through now, and if you can see them, they're looking pretty good, and they'll soon be popping up into the straights, so quite pleased with that. And we can still do some carrots. Some variety of the carrots are quite early, such as early Nantes and Amsterdam forcing, but these will be done in the polytunnel, and these will be done in a bucket or container, but they can still be grown outdoors between March, April, May, so there's no need to rush, but carrots are on the list. Also we can do salad leaves, so we've got lettuce salad bowl, lettuce Lower Rosso. I've not grown Lower Rosso before, but it looks quite interesting. Attractive reddish brown high fringe leaves and a pale open heart. And also salad leaves. If anyone's seen my salad leaves, they've just gone absolutely bonkers. I'll be taking some of these home for the rabbit because they are rather large, but I do like the colours on the leaves, really nice. So if you've got a greenhouse, we can still do sweet peppers, and I did my sweet peppers as a single seed challenge, and I'll show you that on a later video. So we've got some flowers in the vegetable garden. There's quite a few we can choose from now, including sweet peas, nasturtiums, dahlias, sweet peas, chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums can be started in February. They all need a bit of heat to get going. Dahlias, chrysanthemums, and just marigold says we can do in February too. And also treasure flower. This one I find quite interesting and look forward to growing some of those. And also lobelia can be done, as well as aquilegia and delphiniums. So there's quite a lot of flowers that we can do too, but we'll come back to that in another video. So I think that's about it. And if you have still got some garlic lying around, it should still be okay to stick them in the ground, and it's worth a go even if you've got it. We still might do something, but yeah, all in all, not looking too bad. So we're going to get this polytunnel up to shape, get some sowing going, and grow some vegetables. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and ring that bell and get notifications when I post some more videos, so we can see all of these seeds growing and how they grow, and look forward to me growing my traditional style allotment as my grandma, my granddad and my dad did, and I'm really interested, really keen to get that going this year. So thank you very much. What are you sowing for February? You sowing any of these? If you're sowing anything different, let me know. And also, in my traditional allotment, what should I be growing? I'm growing various things all on my list that I've grown there, but is there anything I'm missing on my traditional list? Let me know in the comments. I'd be really interested to hear from you. So thank you very much for watching. Cheers for now. So now, around 4 weeks, the broad beans are coming through, and these are the Bunyards exhibition, which is quite good because we might need some now. And we do have some peas and some cauliflowers. Not much happening on this side, and my ornamental cabbages are looking a bit sad.